Hello everyone. So today we have got the unboxing of the Gitzo Traveler. The Gitzo Traveler is a wonderful little camera backpack from Gitzo. Um, so as we can see, uh, it really does ooze of high quality materials, and so within the actual backpack you can put in a 15-inch MacBook, a main body, a couple of lenses. It's got a lower compartment as well as an upper compartment. So the lower compartment is somewhere around here where the body and the two lenses can go in. And then the upper compartment, you can put in some clothes or you can put in another lens as well. So this is a premium product from Gitzo, and it's got a business-like look to it. It is the camera backpack for DSLRs as well as mirrorless. So without any further ado, we can start inspecting it. So the straps are very nice and comfortable. They're very soft. There's leather accents right through the bag. There are steel hooks which are very well polished. Um, and the straps obviously adjustable and they go quite a bit out. Interestingly enough, there's also a pocket here, so you can put some things for quick access. The bag by itself does mention that it does use genuine Italian leather, so there is some indication. It says genuine Italian leather is being used. On the side, if we open this up, there's pockets for you to put in stuff, and then this can also be like an external uh, pocket for you to put in a bottle, and then there's storage obviously inside here. There's again storage over here. There's some padding areas here. You can show that you can put two lenses. These are just cardboard fixtures, but once you take that out, you can see that there's flaps in here to put one body and also some lenses here. So yeah. Then there is a mechanism for you to latch this and lock it so it's secure. Similarly, on the other side, you can again unlatch it, take it out, open it up, and you can see you can put the camera body in here. So again, there is space on this side as well. Then on the top side, you can open it up, and that again has a compartment here to put in your things. It's got a rain cover, and there are then within here you can see that there are flaps to put in pockets here. There's also zips here. This side is a pocket. Is the laptop compartment. The laptop. So yes, all in all, it's a very nice compact. And this part here is to put the tripod. So you can open this up. You have an area to put your tripods. Open this up. You can put your tripod on the top. It's a very nice kind of finish. Bottom support. So all in all, this is a great little package.